This time we're supposed to convert cubic centimeters to gallons. Again, we do not have direct conversion factor which is going to convert cubic centimeters to gallons. That's why we are going to use these two conversion factors. Always rewrite the problem. 500 cubic centimeters. I'm going to multiply by the conversion factor, which says 1 liter is equal 1000 cubic centimeters. Why? Because I want to eliminate the cubic centimeters. And 1 liter is going to help me to convert liters to gallons, because I have conversion factor which says 1 gallon is equal to 3.785 liters. Cubic centimeter and cubic centimeter will cancel out, and 3.785 liters is equal 1 gallon. Liter and liter will cancel out. Convert this to the improper fraction, and we will have 500 times 1 times 1 gallon, 500 times 1 times 1 gallon, over, open parenthesis, 1000 times 3.785. Why I open the parentheses? Because if you are going to use the calculator, you're supposed to tell the calculator that you want to divide the numerator by the product of these two numbers. And your answer is 1.321 times 10 to negative 1 power gallons. And this is the solution to my problem.